everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm getting into the Halloween spirit by drawing some spooky characters. We're going to create one pumpkin, 3 ghosts, and a bat. Let's get started! First up is our friendly pumpkin. I'll start with a big round shape for the body. Remember, pumpkins are usually a bit lumpy, so don't worry about making it perfectly round. And of course, we need to give our pumpkin a face. Let's add some big cheerful eyes and a wide, toothy grin. Next, we're moving on to our 3 ghosts. I'll start with the first one. Ghosts are usually kind of wavy, so let's draw a ghostly shape that floats in the air. Now, let's add some eyes. How about 2 big eyes that give it a friendly look? Alright, on to the second ghost. Give it a more playful shape. For this ghost, let's make its eyes a bit more mischievous. And now for our third ghost. Let's add our bat. I'll start with the body. Bats have a unique shape, so I'll draw a rounded body with some pointy ears. Halloween scene with 1 pumpkin, 3 playful ghosts, and a bat! I hope you enjoyed drawing along with me. Don't forget to share your drawings in the comments. Happy Halloween, everyone!